Welcome to another in the series of our Docs Tips videos. Here is where you learn tips on how to be more productive with Worldox. In today's Docs tip, we're going to show you how to use the tile view list in Worldox. Why would you use the tile view list? Well, in Worldox by default, all your file list windows are shown in list view. In list view, you can easily sort files using column headers or the filters tab. However, often you may wish to see all those files grouped together and framed easily to review them. I oftentimes heard from attorneys that they just want to see all their pleadings in one box, all their agreements in one box, and all their briefs in one box. You get the idea. So let's take a look at how tile view works. The easiest way to get to our file list is by double-clicking the work zone icon on your desktop. This will open up Worldox to the files you worked on most recently. This is what we call the list view, files listed horizontally. Let's go to our display producers because we want to see all the files for this client. Here's all the files listed, and you can see that you could sort these files if you wanted to sort them by doc type. You could use the doc type description column header and sort them that way. You could also come down to the filters tab and say if I just wanted my pleadings, I could see all my pleadings. Or if I just wanted to see all my agreements, I can see all my agreements. But a feature that Worldox has is right here, and it's called the tile view. And if we select that tile view and we come over here to our sort, we have the ability to sort by doc type description. I've set this up in advance, but you can set it up to sort files in any way that you wish. Now when I select this sort mechanism, I have all my agreements in one box, I have all my contracts in one box, all my exhibits, all my pleadings, and all my letters. And as I select the pleading, you'll see that the scroll bar will appear, and it'll tell me that there's 27 documents here. And so this box, this framed-in box, has all my pleadings. And if I wanted to select a pleading, I could click on the view window here, and I could go through my different pleadings and see them in the preview window over on the right. Once you're finished with tile view, if this is the way you want to sort your documents from now on, you can choose to customize, make this my favorite view. Otherwise, you can select list view, go back to the default view, and that's Worldox sorting files using the tile view feature. We hope you enjoyed this little tip. Please feel free to jump over to our website to see more tips and also our Worldox Online Training Academy courses. Thank you.